Alright, here's my circuit for rear brake lights. I've gotten a little 5-point relay, micro, and I've soldered on, as you can see, some leads going to the two different regulators. These are adjustable regulators, 2 amp max. And then out of there, we have wires going to the light. But we have crossover wires going from one regulator to the other, with diodes on there stopping the current from going into the regulator backwards. So the reason we do that is so that when we have it installed in the car, we can see this will be our running lamps right here. So we see that when we turn our lights on, that's what's going to happen. But we're going to wire this up so that this right here is our trigger that goes to the brake, and when we hit the trigger, we can get brake lights, even though we have our headlights and running lights on. Let's watch. So we're gonna come over here, we're gonna get my hand on the brake pedal, and we're gonna watch the light. Oh, take it off. And you can see the switching of the two regulators. And the way I have this set up is I have the regulator for the brake light, this one right here. I have that set for 12 volts, where this one is set to 10 volts, okay? So right now that's 10 volts going into there, but when we want to hit the brake pedal, it switches over to the other regulator, and that creates 12 volts towards the light and makes the light brighter. I'm sure it could be done a little different, but I think this is pretty cool, and it definitely will work. And I'm going to put it in a box and make it look nice and put it on the car. I will show you guys once that's all completed.